Yeah, folks, you saw that right. We got a sawmill. So we ordered a sawmill last year, and it took forever to get it figured out with the company, what was going to happen, how much it was going to be. To get them to return calls to us, it was just a rough time. So we ended up going with a different company, and a lot of credit goes to my principal, Mr. Edwards. He did the heavy lifting of figuring out which model to get after we had the other company fall through on us, and all that time and energy was wasted. But this one came in a box. It came in pieces, 2 big boxes, and it had to be put all together. So every single nut and bolt on here had to be bolted on. So that's why it's taken such a long time to get going. But we finally got it all put together and finally got it working. So the initial starting and cutting of it, my initial reaction is that it's a pretty amazing machine. We went with the Woodland Mills, the HM126. We can cut 23-inch diameter logs, and we can cut those 11 foot long. So it's a pretty amazing machine. So far, I'm very impressed with it, but I've only cut just a few logs, but in those logs, we've probably cut a couple $100 worth of lumber. Now, we're not able to use that lumber right away. It's going to need to cure. It will need to dry. And so we're in the process of making that happen. But so far, it is one amazing machine. And I believe it's going to be really beneficial to us for a whole long time. So here we'll go ahead and we'll watch how it makes a cut. It's essentially a small engine on with connected to a big bandsaw. And so if you see the green pieces there, the green covers, there's 2 big wheels in there that turn a really big bandsaw, and you push on the throttle and the bandsaw starts going, and then you manually push the big head down the rails. And so we opted to go for the setup that has the trailer connected. It's all one unit. It's not just the frame that you would set on the ground, but it is the frame connected to trailer wheels. So we can hook it up and take it to a job site and mill a bunch of lumber and then move on. We are looking forward to cutting all sorts of lumber. Right now we've been cutting ash, and ash is a harder wood. It's a lot like oak. And so we will continue to cut some ash, and then any other boards that we are given or that we stumble upon, we will go ahead and cut those too, and we will see how they cut out. But so far, my initial reactions on the Woodland Mills HM126 is very, very positive. It looks to be a great machine, and I think it will do a really good job for us for a very long time. Hey, thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks so much for the view. I really appreciate you subscribing. Go ahead and comment what you think about this machine, and go ahead and like the video if you like it. And if not, well, hopefully we'll catch you on the next one and make a better video for the next one. But folks, make sure to work hard, because hard work is its own reward. Thanks so much for watching.